Hey, what's up, everybody, and welcome to NerdGadget. Now, today I'm going to be talking about this Bluetooth ANC headset that also has the ability to be plugged in with a hard wire. Now, I'll be talking more about this Bluetooth headset right after this. All right, let's go ahead and dive into this review and get this unboxed. But before I do so, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and also share it out, as it truly does help out my channel. All right, as you can see here, the model is H30 or H30. All right, it just states here, ANC headphones, hands-free calling, it's foldable and durable headband. ANC active noise canceling headphones. It tells you what's in the box right here. Let's take a look at the back. You have some information here. 2 hours on a single charge. All right. Bluetooth version 5.3. All right. So with that stated, let's go ahead and get this unboxed. That's not right. There we go. Much better. All right, so these are all the items that come inside. Of course, you got the headphones, you have a manual, and you have type A to type C charge cable, and then auxiliary cable for hardwire listening. And then you also have this pouch or bag where you can store it in. So it's nice that this is included as well. All right, so let's have a closer look at the headphones. As you can see here, the cushion or the earmuffs is nice and plush. As you can see here, it's labeled L and R, so you know which ear they belong to. It's foldable, and it also swivels, as you can see. And again, you have the included bag to use. All right, the headband is also nice and plush. Now, these are not only wireless, you can also use the hardwire connection with the included aux cable. So plug it in here, then plug it into your device, and then you can go ahead and listen or experience your audio content that way. Here's the button to turn on ANC off or on, charge port, microphone. And then you look under here, you have power button, volume rocker to increase and then decrease the volume. All right, so let's go ahead and power this on. Hold this down. All right, it's powered on. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and give this a test listen. But first, get it paired up with my phone. And then once I have this paired up, let you know what my thoughts are as far as the audio experience while wearing this and the comfort level as well. I'll be right back. So now I just had my listen or experience with these, and I gotta tell you, I am quite surprised with them, especially for the price. First of all, they're very comfortable. This cushion for the earmuffs definitely plays a good role in allowing you to possibly wear this for several hours and not have that ear fatigue. All right, and then also the headband with the plush padding here, that definitely helps as well. Now, as far as the bass and the audio and just the overall listening experience with these, I gotta say that it was very, very, very nice. All right, so the bass is pretty punchy, right at that sweet spot. It's not overwhelming, but at the same time, it's enough so you can definitely get into whatever you're listening to. The vocals were very clear. You can hear all of that. The instrumentals were crisp. All around, very, very nice listening experience. Now, I've tried with the active noise. Where is it? Over here. I tried listening with this on and off, and it does make a difference. Now, when it's on, it does reduce a little bit of the quality, but at the same time, if you have external noise, you can actually have that eliminated, and you can just focus directly on what you're listening to with this enabled. All right, and then when it's off, you get the full quality with the audio. So a little trade-off when you turn ANC on, but it's all worth it. That's how it works. All right, you definitely still have enough bass and enough clear audio and vocals to enjoy this. So it definitely blocks out the noise. So once you have that off, you can hear what's going on externally. And once you turn this on, you can hear how everything is just blocked out. So I think it does a great job when it comes to that. I mentioned how comfortable these are. And also, you can see when it's on, so that way you know. Right now that light is blue. ANC is turned off. And then when it's turned on, you're gonna see it switch to green. And you'll also hear an announcement. There's gonna be an announcement saying that ANC is on and ANC is off. So that's definitely cool. I made a few phone calls with these and they heard me very clear and I heard them very clear. As far as the experience while gaming, no lag whatsoever, in my opinion. I'm not an audiophile, but I'm able to do some gaming and not have that lag experience, at least from my initial testing. I watched a few trailers on YouTube, movie trailers, and the overall experience was very nice. So overall, I don't have anything negative to really say about this. All right, you can adjust this. I did not mention this earlier. So with people with larger heads like myself, this works just fine. All right. Again, it's flexible, it's foldable, and all around, definitely nice quality Bluetooth headset. And I also tried the hardwire. I forgot to mention that, and that worked just fine as well. So a lot of options, premium features for this budget-friendly headset. Again, it comes in multiple colors, and you can see all the colors by following that link in the description section of this video. But that completes my review for the H30 wireless ANC Bluetooth headset.